channel, and in this video we have two very special guests. This is Tori, this is Grace, and today we are going to be doing a giant slime smoothie. So in my last a couple videos ago, I did a giant slime smoothie mixing, and if you haven't seen that already, the links will be in the description. And we're gonna take her slime smoothie, or we're gonna mix both of them. So I'm so excited. Sorry, I covered your face. That's fine. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Alina, and before we get started, be sure to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Oh my goodness. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna dump my giant slime in. This is gonna take forever. Whoa, there we go.
That's so sad.
Okay, say I'm poking this for the last time without. Kind of flat. No turning back. Before we mix this giant beauty in, comment down below, pause this video, comment down below what color you think it's gonna turn out to be.
I think it's gonna be like a purplish gray.
Yeah, I think the pink's gonna overpower it, so I think it'll still be pink, but maybe a little darker.
Yeah, I think it'll be like a grayish pinkish.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that feels so weird.
That's so awesome.
Okay, let's bring it all in like this. Okay, ready? I'm so sad, not really, but I'm like,
me too.
I'm kind of like, oh no, I hope it's not ruined. So keep mixing. Oh, I don't think it's gonna be that much darker, because this is so much bigger. Oh, just so you guys know, this slime was 11 pounds and hers was like 5 pounds.
Something.
So we'll weigh it as soon as it's all mixed in. Oh, look at that. That looks so cool.
That's so pretty.
It's kind of like
That's
galaxy.
what color I think
I hope
it's
it all turns out like that.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be like that pastelish kind of purple.
And I thought.
This actually looks like galaxy.
Alright, we're gonna come back when this is all mixed in. So we have this all mixed in, and this is so beautiful. It's like a purplish gray.
It looks
It's
like Twilight
It's like
Spark.
and I love all the little balls in it. Foam balls. That looks so cool. The crunching is so good. Hold that.
I love the color.
Okay, I'm gonna do something. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand in. Okay, watch. Okay. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna bury my hand. That feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna take it out.
All over your wrist, we get our.
The buds. Okay. See how quickly I can make
gross.
this off.
Oh, that's actually really satisfying.
That should be like a challenge. How fast can you get slime off your hands?
This was the color of mine, and it turned into that. It is so pretty.
It's so pretty. So pretty.
Wait.
Oh my word! It's like right beneath.
It's 19 pounds.
I told you.
19 pounds.
Wow. Oh, you're.
When I poke it, look what happens when I poke it.
Oh, that's so funny. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a contest. We're gonna stick our hands in, and then we're gonna time each other to see how long it takes us to take our hand to get all the slime off our hands. Okay, Tori's gonna go first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, we're at 5 seconds.
Okay, off.
Stop.
That was 7 seconds. Wow, that was good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Okay, you ready to stop it? You ready to stop it? 8
8 seconds.
You beat me. Okay, that's my turn.
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
go.
done. Our next challenge. So what we're gonna do is we're all gonna have 10 seconds to do the most cringy thing with our slime, and you guys have to decide who's gonna win this. So comment down below on each of our scores, and then then you guys will decide the winner. You have 10 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's actually kind of cool.
I'm trying to make a swirl here, oh my gosh.
Okay, she's done. Okay, that was Grace's cringiness.
Okay.
Your finger.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to do.
Ew!
No! I can't take it anymore.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ew, that was so gross. That was so gross. Okay, all right.
Can I try again? Because mine was terrible.
Nope. No redo.
Comment down below a scale of 1 to 10 on all of our scores, and then you guys will decide the winner.
Worst.
10 being the best, 1 being the worst. love this. This is so amazing. I'm gonna pop. Oh, you have a fun baby here. It's so good. Alright guys, we had so much fun mixing this. This was like, look how stretchy this is. Oh, the bubbles are so big. So, because she had most of the slime and I had some slime, so we're just going to cut this in half so they will get to take home some and then I'll have some.
Like picking dry slime off of me.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't already subscribed and you're new, then just go ahead and click the red subscribe button. Just so you guys know, I will be doing a slime Q&A video, so if you have any questions slime related, leave it in the comments down below to be featured in my slime Q&A video. Bye! See you guys next week!
Bye!
Oh my goodness, I love this slime so much. It's so good. Okay, this is such a good slime. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that.
That was weird, that laugh.
Turn off! It's not off!